Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you have tools in both hands but need to illuminate the workspace a little better? Energizer. Well, this week's feature product might be the beacon you're looking for. Brighten up with a voice-activated smart LED headlamp from Energizer. Using simple voice commands allows the user to have complete control over this headlamp. You can turn it on and off, adjust the brightness, and even swap between normal, red, or green lights. This will help your vision in different low-light environments. All this allows you to keep your focus on the task being worked on without fumbling around for the correct button to push. On the low setting, it shines out 30 lumens with a beam distance of 20 meters and run for 17 hours. Whereas the high setting has a radiant 525 lumens, which can be seen over 95 meters and will work for 2 hours. There's plenty of other bright tech inside this dazzling light, like Vision Guard, which protects your vision by gradually increasing the intensity when the device is initially powered on. The lens itself is shatterproof, and the whole piece of equipment has a water-resistant rating of IPX4. So get a better grip on your lighting issues by going hands-off with this week's feature product, the voice-activated smart LED headlamp from Energizer. What are your thoughts on this voice-activated headlamp? Let's talk about it in the comments below. See if you can subscribe to the channel using voice activation. I bet it will work.